What up, YouTube? So right now, oh, let me turn the radio down. So right now, I'm getting ready to head to the spot to pick up Murder Cat, and then I'm gonna head to pick up Reek from his spot. We finna head to Private Meat, Content Day. Pink Flamingo be there, Clean Culture be there. So that's what we're getting ready to do now. So I'll hit y'all when I get to the cat. Alright y'all, so I went and grabbed Reek, right? His car doesn't have a hood, one. Two, it doesn't have a windshield wipers. Look at what this man is doing, bro. Instead of him putting the windshield wiper on, he gets it out the trunk and wipes the windshield with it. He could at least put that one windshield wiper on. Why you just didn't put that one windshield wiper?
Oh, just put it on? Just put one on. But nah, yeah, so like, I took the windshield wipers off because like, it just give a better look. I know y'all remember that video when we was indoor sliding, and that's when I took the windshield wipers off. But when we get to the pit, I'll show y'all what it been looking like. Y'all probably like, what the hell? Who take that windshield wipers off?
Yeah, but for y'all know, if you get caught in the rain, you're fucked.
Oh yeah, you definitely over with. You're done for.
Yeah. Pushing or pulling? You pushing or pulling? Oh, what? Hey, I'm going home, nigga.
I don't even know what Twin said.
He said $1,000 to get in.
Oh, 1,000?
1,000.
Fuck you know. Fuck you know.
Charge out of it.
Alright, man, I got you.
Hey, right here, bro, down. Make it look good for the video, nigga.
Oh, Reek, god damn, bro, I'm a big fan of you, bro. Oh my god.
Hey, brother.
What's up, man?
I'm a big fan of you, bro. For real,
Oh my
bro.
god. Hey, appreciate
You sliding, bro? You sliding?
Huh? Wait, you a freak?
Bro, you sliding, bro? You sliding, bro?
Oh no, he's a freak.
Okay, good.
Oh, this the freak. Oh yeah, this him. Hey, say something to the vlog. Oh, what the hell? Hey, that's why the left side of the car leaning, because Big O driving. Bro, y'all see this bit? Vin Diesel over here working on this bit. This bit do need a belt, but hey, what did it sound like? Did it sound good?
Start the airplane.
I'm gonna hit it. Wait. I didn't even know I was looking at 300. I thought this was a damn. You don't want to know. I thought it was a G8. The only one. Damn. So hey, bro, that bitch gonna do his job for today. We're gonna slide. What? What the hell?
Bro, where you been at, bro?
Hey, they been asking for you. They said, where the military man at?
Look at this nigga. Boy, stop pointing at my titties, nigga.
No.
That shit bigger than. Oh, bro, you know what the fuck going on, man?
Hey, man, we done brought Mother Cat outside. We finna blow everybody eardrums today. But hopefully they came prepared. Maybe they not.
Hopefully they did.
Hopefully they did.
Somebody got hit?
Is that recording?
Yeah.
I know good and damn well she ain't hurt her knee again.
Yeah, they can. I think. Oh no.
Not that TRX. And that you talking about? Hell no. He got everything in that bit.
What? No. What did you do?
Twin.
Not this time. I literally was just getting on his back. I ain't fall off no scooter, nothing. That shit just popped. It just popped.
We're going game.
Oh, Rico.
It just popped.
Wait, you got the pro pad?
Hey, watch out.
Damn.
They can't even.
Hey man, they supposed to be doing Pink Flamingo tryouts today. So we finna see who got the wheel and who don't got the wheel. They bitch say pit crew. We got whole goddamn. I don't know what the hell going though.
Shit.
That nigga sliding on rims.
I say got Best Buy.
I got 5 racks in this bitch.
Oh shit!
Everybody back up. Everybody back up.
Damn!
Oh shit!
I bet you won't up, bud.
Hey, real shit, that nigga in the truck.
Oh no, we go. What up, big baby? What's up, brother?
Hey, y'all chill. Hey, y'all chill. Everybody back up. He good. Bro, you was doing the burnout. How you trying to get the jack? Bro, how you doing
Wait, did he say he was going to get a jack?
Chris, what the hell you got going on?
Hey, y'all good? Who got the instant replay? Watch out. He good. Run good. Run with me. Run good. Run Mario with me. Hey.
Bro, I don't know what's going on, but the truck hop in, so it's like,
It's on you now.
didn't do it. What's up, gang? Random shit so niggas don't fight. Keep arguing if y'all fight.
What?
Huh? They just need some blinks.
Look, then you got out. I was just going to get a jack. Like he didn't just burn out.
I did a burnout. Yeah, the bean get up.
God damn.
Hey, you spit it out, don't get in there, hoe. Hey, he didn't do it. Hey, no, don't funny shit. He didn't do it. Hey, this bitch clean as fuck, bro. Just spit it out, bro.
That nigga lying. It was clean.
That shit got snatched on purpose, bro. On purpose. The second one was treacherous. I know that nigga said, woo, come on one time.
Damn, baby. I'm doing good. How you doing?
Real. I'm trying to get my explanation. Why not? Y'all owe the nigga no explanation.
What's down, baby?
Get the fuck out of here. It's as simple as that. Me personally, I'm not having my hands.
Oh, you feel me? I'ma say it again though. If niggas can't slide, y'all shouldn't be in the pit. Y'all see what's going on? Like, look at all this shit. Y'all niggas be fucking up this flammable shit, real shit. But y'all see what we doing, man. We making historical ass shit, man. Shout out to my dog right here on the side.
Doggy driver alert.
Shout out to
Look, nigga.
wait till we see twins. No cap. It ain't no meet, it's a private. Me and Polo did a private.